Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to play Please Donate on iPad. So first of all you have to open Roblox app, and after that you have to click on this Please Donate game, and after that you have to click on Please Donate. So after opening the Please Donate game, you can remove this leadership by tapping on here. Now I'll show you how can you play this Please Donate game on Roblox in iPad. So just now, first of all you have to look for any empty stand. You can see that it is unclaimed. Just hold the stand button. When you stand next to it, you will see this stand button. Just hold this stand button and your game passes or the item will be listed here. Fine. So if someone purchase a game pass, or the if he wants to or he she wants to donate you, he will buy these game buttons from get donation buttons from your stand. So basically you will get 70% out of these prices here. So you can create these buttons. If you haven't created yet, I'll show you how can you do that. First of all, you have to guys come out of the game, open a browser. You can use a Safari browser and just go to roblox.com. Just go to this website. The site will open here. Just close it from here, this notification. Now just need to click on this create tab. This creator hub will be open. What you need to do, you just need to tap on this menu button and go to dashboard. Now you just need to tap on your default experience will be named by your username. Just tap on it. Now very straightforward. Now just need to tap on this menu button, three bar. I scroll down, and under the monetization product you will see passes. Just tap on it. Now you just need to tap on this create a pass button, and now enter the name of the game pass, description, and click on create a pass button. Fine. So once you create your game pass, just open a newly created game pass like this one. I'll show you this one. Now you just need to tap on this menu button and tap on this sale option, and now just need to enable item for sale. I'll just click on enter the price here like 200. The price should be reasonable. Now just tap on save changes. What does it say? I forget that, man. Where has he gone? Just forget it, man. Yeah, here. So I'll show you by creating. It's not being able to update my game pass setting here. So I'll show you how can you do that. So let me create a game pass here and I'll update it, or I'll set it up for the sale. So just click on create pass and your game pass will be created. Now tap on your game pass, newly created game pass, and now tap on this menu button and go to sales and click on enable item for sale. Now enter the cost here like 100 robux and click on save changes. So right now pass update failed. Please inspect the log and network. Post on a developer forum. Is this problem persist? So right now I think there is some issue with the server. So this is the you just need to follow this same process to update or to set it up for the sale. Once you set it up for the sale, now you just need to open a please donate game and look for any empty stand and claim your stand. Your game pass will be updated here. So if you go to any empty stand and claim your stand again, your game pass will be updated here. Fine. So if someone purchase, you can approach peoples to buy or to give you donation. Like these people are talking to each other, and so if they purchase or give donation, they can give donation to your stand by using this donation button. Fine, so this is how you can play. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.